Now with this whole AI sound making boom, people everywhere from around the world are jumping in to create the cover songs. They're taking tracks from popular artists, making AI generated covers and literally getting millions of views and making serious money from it. For example, check this channel called Retrovivals. It was created on December 2nd, 2025 and already has close to 5 million views, earning around $50,000 per month on average. And the craziest part, they also repurposing their short form covers on TikTok and also other social media platforms, basically filling their pockets using the people's music styles. So if you want to learn how to generate AI cover songs absolutely free, this is the video that you need. We will break down the best free tools on the market and show you how to create cover songs step by step. I also explain the copyright side of things so you don't get into trouble when posting. Alright, without further talking, let's dive in. Before you jump into any AI generator, the first thing you need to decide which song you want to make a cover for. And at this stage, there are like two simple methods. The method number one is just to go to ChatGPT and ask to suggest popular song that you would work well for your target audience. Once you pick the one you like, ask it to generate the lyrics. However, here's the catch. Due to copyright restrictions, ChatGPT might not give you the original lyrics anymore. Instead, you can use Grok, as it from time to time it works and provide you with the original lyrics. If in your case Grok will not work either, just Google the lyrics of your chosen song and copy them. Then go back to ChatGPT or Grok and ask to describe the style you should use for your AI music generator, like soft pop, modern, indie, or whatever fits your vision. You will need that in the next step. The method number two is do a bit of research on TikTok or YouTube to find the trending cover songs. So go on YouTube and search for your AI cover songs, then go to the short section. For example, here we can see an AI cover of Lady Gaga, Always Remember. Using the VidIQ extension, we can check that its popularity trend is rising, not flat, so that's a good sign. Let's go ahead and pick this one for our demo. Now I'll go to Grok and simply say, I want to create a cover song for Lady Gaga, Always Remember. Please give me a style I can use for a soft and modern sounding version. Once we have the style prompt, we are ready to go for the next step. Now that we have our song and style, it's time to actually generate it using the free AI tools. I found two good options you can start with. Option number one is Suno. Just register and you get your 50 credits, which is about 5 songs you can generate absolutely for free. And for every generation, you will get 4 different versions. Pretty good, right? If you try to input original lyrics from an original song, Suno will block it and show a copyright warning. So if you want to use the exact lyrics, Suno will not work for that. Thus, we need option number 2, which is the Top Media AI. Top Media AI has a multiple AI tools, but we want to pick up AI music specifically. Click try for free, and once you are in the creator interface, paste the lyrics you found on Google into the lyrics section. Then in the style section, paste the prompt that Grok gave us earlier. Choose the singer's gender, enter the song title and hit create. In just a few seconds, boom, you've got 2 generating songs ready. Here's the first one.
That Arizona sky,
Clever.
burning in your eyes. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire.
Subscribe and hit the like button once
Buried
you're
in my
listening.
soul, like California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find. So
And now the second one.
that Arizona sky, burning in your eyes.
Clever nuts.
You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire.
Subscribe and hit the like button once you're
Buried in
listening.
my soul, like California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find.
Not bad at all, right? You can clearly hear it's following the lyrics we entered. Amazing. So before uploading to YouTube or TikTok, there is important thing to keep in mind. The copyright. Don't worry, no one is going to go to jail, but copyright content can trigger limits on monetization or even take down your video. YouTube automatic system can detect copyright audio, making it impossible to publish or monetize your video until it's resolved. Even if you manage to publish and monetize it months or even years later, you could still get a copyright strike. Then you would have to take down the video or get the permission from the original rights holder. For example, check out the channel Red Village. They had a massive growth, over 100,000 views per day, But after some period of time, they've been asked to remove the copyrighted content and they lost over 6 million views and then another 5 million after deleting more videos. Now instead of daily spikes, they down to only around 3-4 thousand views, and that's a huge drop. So here's how to avoid that. Instead of copy-pasting the original lyrics, simply rewrite them to make them unique. So go back to ChatGPT or Grok and ask, please rewrite the lyrics of Lady Gaga's Always Remember, so it's similar in a vibe but different enough to avoid the copyright issues. Then take the rewritten version and use it in Suno, since now it's original content. Let it generate and you will have a brand new cover. As you can see, Suno has created us 4 different cover songs. The first one and the second one below have used v4.5 old model, which is covered in the free plan. And the length is quite extensive, so let's spend a few seconds to listen to the first version.
That desert sunset bleeding through your gaze, you turn to me and suddenly I'm ablaze. It's hidden deep inside, like buried summer rays. You woke us both.
Yeah, it sounds a bit different, but the lyrics are unique and that reduces your chances of getting a copyright strike. It also has generated 2 other songs by using the latest V5 version model, which is the latest Suno update. Unfortunately, we cannot download it for free, but we can listen it with our watermarks for a 1-minute preview, and if you fall in love with this version, you can upgrade and get a full one. However, let's give it a try and see if it's worth it.
That desert sunset bleeding through your gaze.
Clever nuts.
You turn to me and suddenly I'm ablaze. It's hidden deep inside, like buried summer rays.
Well, not so bad, but if we don't want to spend any penny, free versions are quite well made as well, so we can simply download this one and use it for our purpose. However, there is one thing that we need to take into account, which is the song length. For the first one, the length is 4 minutes, which is quite extensive. Also, the lyrics are starting only from the 28th second. So if we want to create a shorts from this song, 4 minutes will be too much. So instead of, we can simply cut this song on multiple sections and create multiple short content clips. In other case, if it will be not shorts content, but just a full extensive YouTube long format video, then you can simply add the full song, which is absolutely fine. So once your song is ready and you have decided which format type it will be, then the next part is to create the visual elements. If you go with the long format and make a load of full song, which is 4 minutes, of course you can generate AI video clips and combine this together, but it will require too much effort. But if we talk about music format videos on YouTube, most of the AI users simply use it for listening and not watching. So the workaround is simply to create an image for your cover song with the AI for free. For this purpose, just go back to Grok and make sure you're logged in. Free account is enough. Then go to the Imagine section, specify image option and write your prompt. For example, I wrote that I want to create an image for a Lady Gaga Always Remember song for my video and do not add text on top of it. Also, don't forget to specify the aspect ratio and hit create. As you can see, it has provided us with multiple images and then the best option to pick up the one that doesn't contain any text. And I will explain you why in a second. For example, I like this one, so I simply download it and be good to go. Then you would need to open a video editing tool such as CapCut. In my case, that was Final Cut Pro. And add your song, make some music cuts if needed, and then add your image to the clip and extend it to the duration of the whole video. And here's why we wanted an image without any text. On top of the image for the whole video duration, we will add captions. So for this purpose, simply use the function to auto-generate the captions and make some corrections for the parts where it's needed and apply the desired caption style. And yeah, your first long format video is ready. But there is another story if you want to upload shorts videos. In this case, we cannot prevent having just a stable image and we need to generate video content. So here are the steps which I have taken in order to generate the short type of content. The first, I simply went to Pinterest. In order to get some inspiration, I have started by searching a person close-up shot standing next to microphone and singing. Then I found one interesting picture of a lady. However, I wanted to have something more bright and my choice dropped on the image of a woman standing standing under the green and red lights. Then I simply copied the image and went to the Gemini free account and pasted the image from Pinterest and asked to change the face of the person. I also selected a thinking Gemini model to get better results. Just in few seconds, Gemini created an image of my new pop star, and I was quite happy with the result. However, there was a problem. As you can see in the bottom left corner, we have a watermark, which we don't want to have in our master image, and we need somehow to get rid of it. Thus, I went to Google and searched for free watermark remover and have chosen the first option. That is, simply uploaded my master image, and in few seconds I get a clean output picture without any symbols. So the image is ready for taking it further. Step number 4 was to generate the AI image video, which will have a lip sync to our desired song. Thus, I went to the website called RunnyHub.io, which is the collection of open source AI models working on top of Comfy UI. Then I signed in using my free account and went to search bar and typed Infinite Talk Digital Human Singing and went to workflow section. Then, as you can see here, are a bunch of different AI models created by users, and I like the one with the guy standing next to the microphone as it looked quite similar to our image. So to use the app, you simply need to click on the Open AI app that has the UI designed to interact with. But before playing with the app and generate the video, we need to get some credits. As you can see, I have only 100 credits and 319 were required to generate the video. To top up the credits for free, you simply need to click on profile icon and navigate to the section called invite code. Then you need to band your invitation code that will give you extra 1000 credits. So now, as you can see, my credits are filled and I'm ready to make the video generations. I have left the invite code to use in the comment section to this video, so once you are there, please also like the video and subscribe. We'll appreciate that. So as instructed, I have chosen the reference model. The next step is to add the audio file. However, instead of the whole one, which is for 4 minutes, I wanted only to extract roughly 15 seconds from the music generated by Suno, where we have our persona singing the chorus part. So I opened the Final Cut Pro and inserted the whole music file. Then I have checked for the part where the chorus part is covered and trimmed it and finally saved it as a new file in the audio format. Then I went back to the app and inserted the audio file in the audio input selector and run the generation. However, I get a problem as a warning pop-up indicating that the task exceeded my limits. So it seems to be that the task was too heavy for the model. Thus I went back to the search bar and typed Infinite Talk Single Lip Sync and found an alternative model that had an example generated content that I was looking for. So I opened the app, inserted my master image, placed my short form audio file and hit run. Finally, it took around like 8 minutes to generate the content. And let's see how it looks.
When the evening settles quiet and the melody drifts away.
Of course, this was just 15 seconds file, and if you want to have it longer, then simply create a longer audio file window, or instead make multiple generations and combine multiple clips by using the video editing tool. But before you upload the video to YouTube, and even we have used non-original lyrics, there is still room for a bit of a warning. Even our song was generated without the copyright issues related to the song owner, the new song doesn't belong to us. For example, if we start to download the song in Suno, it will inform us that if we want to use it for commercial purposes, we still need to acquire a license. In other words, if we go into download the song with a free license and publish it on YouTube with a monetization purpose, we still have a chance to get a copyright strike, but not from a song owner, but rather from an AI music generator. So at the end of the day, the recommendation is to upgrade your plan if the target of your cover song is monetization, to prevent yourself from being in trouble. And that's it. Now you know how to make AI generated cover songs for free, safely and effectively. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, share it with your fellow creators, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on AI music and video creation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.